Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and welcome to another Project Thrift 52 video. It is currently week 47. I can't believe how fast this year is going by, but I'm actually here at Goodwill today, and I'm at the one in Raleigh, North Carolina, which is right off of Six Forks Road. I've never been into this one before. I actually never knew it existed. I used to come on this side of town all the time, and I never knew this was here. So I'm gonna take you inside. I'll show you around a little bit, and like always, I'll show you anything that I buy at the end of the video. I do have a small donation I need to drop off. I have some pillow covers here in this bag. If you saw my last video, I actually got some new ones, so I do not need these anymore, so I'm going to drop them off. Now that we're going inside, let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was on today's trip. I would love to hear your answers. I will say this Goodwill did not have a very big furniture selection, but I did see these really interesting coffee tables here. Now I'm just gonna browse the home decor section to see if I can find anything. So I don't collect ironstone, but I did come across this nice little collection here. So somebody's going to get very lucky. There was a lot of different pieces. I wonder what a dadism is. You better not let your mom hear you saying that. Basically translates into I'm too tired to discipline you for a small infraction like a cuss word, especially since you've probably learned that word from me. Just don't try it in front of your mother or we'll both be sorry. So now I'm going to show you what I purchased today, and I'm also going to show you a couple of bonus items that I included in with this video. The only thing that I purchased today was something I may have overpaid for, but I didn't care because it was so adorable and I had to take it home. It was a teeny tiny Swarovski crystal pig. He was $14.99, but I'm pretty sure he cost more than that brand new. And look how little he is. He is so cute. He even has a little metal tail, and I'm so happy to add him to my little pig collection. And for right now, he has a home on my little random animal collection shelf, which is in my bathroom. I'll probably put him somewhere else, but for now, he's going to live here. The next two items that I purchased are from the Thrift gift store. I did a video on this store back on week 3. Anyways, I popped in here a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I would just share with you what I found in this video. The first thing I found was an adorable little vintage piggy bank. He was 49 cents, and he is just going to live in my curio cabinet for now. I have a lot of different antiques in here and random collections, so he is just going to hang out here for now. The next item that I purchased was a brand new scarf, and I actually got this for Hannah. It was $3, and it was a Harry Potter Gryffindor scarf. And if you know anything about Hannah, she is a Harry Potter nerd. So we are actually making a trip to Universal Studios very soon, and Hannah is very excited about going to Harry Potter Land. So now she will have a nice scarf to wear while she's walking around Harry Potter Land. My question is, I wonder how much the scarves like this cost in the souvenir shop in Harry Potter Land. Probably not $3. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you back for week 48.